These days we just dey hear different kind of thing. In fact, wetin dey happen these days it just dey surprise me. I no understand though. Now e be say if man carry woman comot on a date, dem must date, dem must start relationship. This one no be say you cut chop free food now you say you wan comot. Na lie. The relationship must start. Abi Jane, wetin you feel these days?
I don't even understand, because that thing don dey happen constantly now. Wey be say any man, before the man go even take you go out sef, he don determine say this babe, if I spend 5,000, I must get my 5,000 back. You know, all those kind of things. So we don't really know wetin dey happen these days. So wetin dey happen, wetin dey cause am.
Okay, the short thing I want just stop. We say okay, like the last one wey happen now for Twitter now. E be say this guy carry this girl comot, say make dem just go eat lunch. On getting there now, they don't eat, chop finish, you know. The guy begin tell the girl how he feel and everything. Now the girl say no, as in a capital letter N-O. Now he brought spiral. Say wetin happen? After I don't carry you come lunch, you must date by force by fire. So in fact, I don't understand anything. But as a big girl, with the girl be now, she just send the money back. How much is your money? Send that transfer, yeah, keep the change for cab. But it don't make sense these days.
The guy too say the girl na never shop. Wey be say because you don't buy food of 3,000 or so, and because of that one, say the girl go come date am. You know, some guys they think like that. Say I don't spend like 5-10K. No worry, the girl don't be like my. But they don't know. Say girls wey dey out these days, they even dey wise.
Eye sharp.
They wise. You know, so normally some girls go take them out. They no go carry any money. And the kind of odd dream where they will come, they do like, give me this, give me that, shiki moloni, shiki.
You just make me remember one thing that happened one time like this. When we say the guy say, he made the girl on top Instagram. We got to say, okay, and all the girl page, waiting food there now, shrimps, seafood, this one. The guy got to say, man, this girl na la poche la too show. Because okay, if I want to carry this girl come out, I need to plan everything. When they reach on the date, now the guy order for shrimps and seafood and everything. Be say now waiting the girl like because now waiting for her Instagram page. Now babe chop and collapse. So now bro say waiting happen. They reach hospital. Now the doctor say she's allergic to seafood. Now don't talk. All her Instagram page now seafood food.
Some girls they like to they show.
I know that. But the things that they happen is they just they funny me. I don't get.
But normally, waiting when I go talk, we say, guys, not because of say you want date person. Even your friend said, if you carry I'm going to go on dates now, it's not that much that any girl where you carry go date, you must date her. You know, is it compulsory?
You go blame some guys. Some guys will be say how much they get. They can't really they impress you.
You know, say,
and you don't give them that, this and that. Okay, I'm cool. Let's go, no problem. And they can't reach there. You can't chop, drink water. The guy can't ask you. You can't say no. That food now, you don't reason say this food now. And if you get the girl I go carry, maybe Basira too. I go carry Basira to go Yamala. No. And Basira to go grief for me.
Guy, if we para, if say the girl don't order some things where we say the guy no say in money no, he don't even they pass the money with the guy, and upon that way the girl don't ask so many things, don't demand for this one, give me this one, give me this one. The guy can't ask, okay, how far babe, how things go be now. After you don't shop everything, the guy don't spend the last couple. And some guys they go take you go out, they're not going to eat anything. You go to shop, they're going to look you.
Anyway, when we just try telling her, we say, guys on a day out there, you know, no be must. If you not ask girl on a day, if you know say you don't get the money to take girl out, not bother yourself. Explain to her. Rather, when I go normal mama put. Girls these days prefer mama put. Unlike me, I prefer mama put sometimes.
She like Amala.
I like mama put. Just take me and chop a buffet. And everything is settled.
Sunday, alright.
But say eat she say when they try to please women. Women these days, you feel please us with Brazilian hair, you know, but say food, wait till be food where I go chop, I go shit them out. But if you think, give me with better trips, I go just say yes, you gallant. But if you don't say you know gallant, no stress yourself. Just look my phone. I don't understand, but you know say they usual these days. I don't understand guys though. You go see girl wey wear Louboutin, you see her bag saying her Gucci, you go talk say you want go there, and your salary no reach her shoe. You go say you want date her. You when you go see your normal girl, you say you see her say that one she still try average now your level. You go say no, she's too no, she's too flashy, she's too local. She's too local. She's not up to it. Then you go to a way
up girl. They find big girl.
Instagram chick.
Make them call that. You call the vex.
Anyway, guys, maybe go outside. Maybe we go here where people get to talk inside this matter because I know say people wey go yab boys and boys wey go yab girls plenty for this talk, so make we go hear wetin they get to talk.
So.
All right, still we don't still enter the street now. Right now we dey for Cold Stone and we wan talk to some people. Maybe we hear wetin they feel about say shey na must say if guy carry you on a date, una must enter relationship. More hear wetin people get to talk now. Hello,
Hi,
how you doing?
I'm fine. And
How you dey?
I did fine.
Okay, Alpha, wetin be your name now?
My name is Ife.
Ife, nice name. So now based on say you be babe now, guy can carry you comot now and go eat after everything. Shey na must say you must date the guy. The guy come talk say na must you must date am. Wetin you go feel?
No, it's not a must though. To me, it just depends on the hours I've spent with the person. If I like his person, if I can roll with him, then fine, I'll date him. But if I can't, it's a no for me.
The guy come talk say na must. After I don spend money for you finish, come talk say you no date am and he talk say na like you must date am.
I'll count the money wey you don spend on me. Carry on give am back.
I no understand though. You don date me, come talk say you no want the money nko.
Nothing wey you fit do me. Nothing. I no date you. I no date you. No fit do me anything.
Why you no fit date am? As in I no understand.
Like I no go date. I go dey date person wey I no like. A person I like, I go date now.
Abeg no vex o. You no like this person, now you follow am go eat you.
At first, I don't know him. It's on a date. So hanging out together, I'm watching his characters and the rest. If his character is not good for me, I won't date him. Or if he has a good character, of course I'll date him. So it's not a must I date a person on the first date.
So it no depends on how much you spend. If the money wey you spend now makes sense.
It not depend on the money.
It no depends on the car when you carry come.
Depend on the character matters a lot.
So if you carry something like Range Rover Sport or G-Wagon,
Character matters a lot.
so na character you go see reason.
Yes, and character there is.
All right, thank you very much. We don't hear wetin street get to talk now. May we go back to know what's up. All right, now still the Jen and Janet show now they watch. Don't go anywhere. Okay, still on the matter. We still dey street and we don't get another bros here wey we fit say one year your own opinion. So bros, what's up?
Fine.
Abeg wetin be your name?
My name is Sunday Kalu.
Sunday.
Kalu.
Okay, Sunday Kalu. So Sunday abeg no vex. So wetin you feel say shey na must say girl wey you carry comot must date you?
Not by force.
No be by force. So even though you spend millions, you no be by force say she must date you.
It's not by force because it's not. Even though the girl agree to marry you, maybe because of the money or any other thing, after everything, she disappoints you. You will not be happy. So it's good for her to tell you early, so you know what to do.
Okay, so good make she just tell you her mind. So if she tell you yes, you go take her.
You supposed to take it unless you like the girl too much. You still try whether she can change her mind or not.
Okay, that's but if she say no, nko.
If she say no, it's not by force.
So you know ask her to pay the money back wey you don spend.
No.
You sure?
She did not force you now.
Okay, based on say she no force you.
Yes.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, we don hear wetin Sunday don talk now. He don talk and say whether the girl date am, the girl no date am, no be by force. If you don tell the girl say he go carry the girl comot, he no force the girl. And if the girl say yes, fine. If the girl say no, he go still try him best. And if he don try the little way, no say if he try, and the girl still insist say no, then na no be that. So he no go ask me she refund the money unlike some people. When we go back to studio, continue the show. Thank you.
Yes, so we don't hear wetin different people get to talk. In fact, this topic strong go because people don't talk. In fact, myself don't tire inside the whole matter. But anyway, maybe now because of many people don't know wetin happen for Twitter. So immediately they hear the Twitter wahala now. It don't become big topic for everybody. Anyway, now still the Jen and Janet show that they watch. But I don't forget to
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, and like our Facebook page. Thank you.